Hey there YouTube, MS Firefighter 662 here with a Honda generator update. Hey, I've had this thing going on about 10 to 11 years and still absolutely love it. It performs flawlessly, never had any issues with it. One thing that I do that helps it work is I take care of good regular maintenance. I've got this hardline hour meter on here. The first one I had was the off-brand, something else. It got some moisture in it, it shorted out, stopped working, somewhere around the 50 to 60 hour mark. So this one's pushing almost 800 hours of use on it, had no issues. As you guys can see, a little dust in there, maybe you can see, but however, it's been running great. This is kind of a short video in response to some of the questions I had. How do you like it? How's it holding up? How many hours do you have on it? Because on my channel I've got 4 or 5 different videos featuring this generator and some of the other generators out there on the market. So all in all, absolutely love it. Great running little unit here. I've been running it with the external boat tank. It's got 6 gallons on it, so it just runs and runs and runs. And then if you want to subscribe to the channel so you can see this bad boy going on there, it's a tri-fuel conversion kit, and I'll have a little quick disconnect. I have to relocate my hour meter here somewhere else, and I can use it for the liquid gasoline here, and then I can do natural gas or propane. My plan is to hook it up to natural gas because I have some outside natural gas plumbed here at the house, so I can, if the power ever does go out, I can just hook this bad boy up and just start it up and let it run non-stop until it needs an oil change. And then, yeah, I'm about to change the oil here, service this thing. Air filter looks good, and we're going to put this conversion kit on and give that thing a go and see how it works. So that's what's going on here. The Hutch Mountain seems to be the better end, higher end one from some of the products I've seen out there. So hey guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, it always helps out, and stay tuned for future Honda generator videos, and especially this guy. Probably not going to do a step-by-step installation. It's pretty easy with instructions here, but you'll get an overview. Anyhow, thank you for watching. I appreciate your viewership.